Hi guys, today we are back for another home tour. Today I'm doing the voiceover for one of Junyuan project over at Penrose at Sim Drive area. Okay, so he welcomed us in, let's go in, and right now we are at the foyer and he's showing us the shoe cabinet that he done for the owners lah. So on top he dressed it up, then over here he's showing us the details. Okay, so a lot of storage for the shoe cabinet. Opposite the shoe cabinet, Junyuan have do a feature wall basically is to conceal a bomb shelter. So I also don't know why all this condo, the bomb shelter is in front one. Normally only BTO and bomb shelter in front. Then here he is showing us the full height mirror that he do for the owner for their outfit of the day when they head up. Okay, later you'll realize this house is like a continuation of carpentry work. From the bomb shelter all the way to the side. You see the side here? Another funny thing. The DV box in front facing the living room So what we did is we create a full height storage to cover up the DV box and also create a small pantry here to put a wine fridge, wine glass and some storage Okay, then what Junyuan is showing us next is the wall art, the painting, the color scheme and the flow, like how he flow his TV console all the way over to the TV side. So this is not just a TV console, it's like a settee also for the dining area. Okay, so later we'll talk about the details. Okay, so right now he's still talking about the wall art and he also next he will talk about the furnishing that he chose for this house, from for example the lightings, okay, to the table, to the chair, to the table leg. He really loved the black wood which I really like it also. It looked really very nice. Okay, the dog not interested. And the chair leg also same black wood. Very sexy, very nice. Okay, now come over to the TV console details. So on the console details, dog come back already. On top here is like the cable management So when you're sitting here, right, you can put your phone here and charge inside. So on both sides also have. This side have, then the other side also have. So for the settee, you also customize a settee cushion for them with storage below. Okay, and then the other side also have the power charging. Okay, now for the TV console, he's showing us the details at the side. You see the 45 degree. Ayo, prop drop. My kanjong brother. Then storage. Below he purposely make it like floating so it look lighter then the dog come back already. Then another thing for TV feature wall, there's no need to always use laminate one So sometimes you can use wallpaper also, so you can link with the general wall. So it flows nicely Okay, then for small spaces, normally we don't go for big coffee table A small one like this is good enough. Okay, then we also have them to source for outdoor furnitures. And next thing will be our curtain. You see the curtain fold is very nice, right? Because these are abstract curtain. At the corner of the ceiling, Junyuan installed a nice spotlight so the owner can shine onto the wall and install some wall art in the future. Okay, and because of the aircon, we also do a cove light like this Okay, now we are in the husband's study room So the desk instead of placing against the wall, we have the luxury of placing in the middle. So while he's working, he can stare at the carpentry that we built for him So this carpentry basically offer a lot of storage and also to house his alcohol Lights on. Ooh, so sexy. Okay, I really like this layout a lot because it offer a lot of privacy. So if someone come in, you got enough time to react. Okay, very good. Now we are in the wifey study room. So same thing wifey study room have a study table. We do a shelf for her on top. So her study table is against the wall Opposite will be her walk-in wardrobe. Cannot anyhow open women wardrobe And the important thing, one row of back display with LED lighting shining onto the shaft. So Junyuan is really into all these lighting details like the beam angle of the light must shine nicely on the back. Then also behind the back must have some dehumidifier to absorb the moisture to protect your back. Okay, very good, very nice. Okay, so here this one is a surprise. Sometimes your friend come if they get drunk from too much whiskey, you must give them a space to sleep So there's a fold down Murphy bed. Bed is not in yet. Also Junyuan also designed like a half height headboard, or even with a LED lighting with a charging point. Wow, very sharp, ah. The friend drunk also can enjoy. Okay, now keep this back. Something special is this whole Murphy bed design is integrated nicely. You see over here it look like two double door, the handle. But the handle in fact is not two double door. It's one whole Murphy bed. On top there's storage also. This is a very smart design. I love it. Now for our final area, our master bedroom. Okay, as we all know, our master bedroom these days are quite small. Okay, so sometimes I don't need to go full height one and half height sometimes a bit boring also. So now trending is this kind of 3/4 height . So you see on top he do a curve, then with a LED lighting shining on top, so it made the whole space look much more interesting. And because of the small spaces, right, it is very important. You see the side, we look for very small bedside table for them. And we play with the details of the feature wall, and we install like a small wall light like this, reading light for them. Then I really like the cute small table. It's so hard to find such nice table, so small one, nicely integrated on the left and the right. And your switches are also very important. You design this so nice, don't use white color one. So you can play with different texture layers. It's all about the details that make a difference. So you can integrate your customized bed frame also . Then now curtain, extract also. Okay, we have come to the end of our tour. Junyuan did such a great job for this project that the owner has even helped us to write a review . So it's on our Google review. You guys can go and check it out . Okay, so thank you so much for watching till the end, and I hope you guys enjoy this tour. See you in the next tour. Bye.